Hi, so how do you connect your Pabbly for WhatsApp add participant group, which I'm going to show you here. So your trigger could be anything like your landing page. Whenever the new lead comes, you get the data, right? It could be webhook also. So it's just for triggering. I've just set it for example. So there is a in our WhatsBoost app. If you let me in your dashboard, if I go here, you have to choose app WhatsBoost. Okay, in the WhatsBoost, you have to select the add a participant in the group action and click on connect. So you could connect the uh, your API WhatsBoost API using your WhatsBoost dashboard. Via here, you have to paste your app key from here to here, and from auth key to here to here. Okay, and once you get connected, so that's we have selected here the connection. You have to paste the group ID. So in whichever group you want to add the participant, you have to take that ID. Like for example, I'll go to which I have to first of all connect the number on which the group is. So I'll just see here. Okay, let's assume we have this. Okay, group. So each group have a group ID. So for the each group, if I see, I'll just paste the group ID here and paste the participant number. It will be mapped via this. You can map it, and the number should be with country code. Like if I put in my number here, and I will just save and send it, it will add that number in this particular group ID, which is of this group. That's it. It will add it automatically, and you can save it, and it will you can keep it running. Thank you. That's it.